Rules down below. Rare mini Hello Kitty donut, rare mini Hello Kitty donut, rare mini Hello Kitty donut, rare mini Hello Kitty, not rare, but yeah. Rare Hello Kitty pink, light pink macaroon, Hello Kitty cake roll, and yeah. These aren't Strawberry World. They are Strawberry World, used to be, but they're not on the strawberryworld.com. Hello Kitty doll ice cream. Super duper rare Hello Kitty cookie. Squishy cracking thing. And then this squishy place. So there's koalas, peanuts, not really rare. Horse bear banners. These paws, the paws aren't really rare because I saw them on a Kwiland before, but they're discontinued on Kwiland. Cinnamon roll squishies. They're rare, super rare. Get them fast because they're limited time. Chara cute. These are super cute. They're like cute. Just cute. The fatty cactus. And there's some really rare ones right here. So there's the capybaras and these squeeze toys are condiments. And these are super cute. Animal bread buns. There's water cats. Moseburgs. They're so cute. These ones. And pickle biscuits. And there's these really rare. The Rilakkuma tag squishies. And there's macaroons, eclairs, these squeeze toys, cat donut, dog bread bean, that's squeeze toy, cafe and macaroons, and these are like cheap. And when you buy, they have free shipping, so really cheap. These sushis, and the capybaras and bread buns. Back to squishy stuff. And there's these squeeze things. They're not really squishies. The shells are hard, but the icing is soft. These things, if you watch Armando 1000ish, he got, I think, let's see. He got the Rilakkuma with the clover. I'll just let that stop. Okay, next. I have these ones, and yeah, these are not Strawberry World. And it's pretty cute. They're really cute. They sell back Strawberry World, but it's always out of stock. This is a real squishy. It's a Big Mac Rilakkuma. And these are really expensive. They're $39. And they come in a packaging like that. Rilakkuma Big Mac. $39. And then there's just regular squishies that are not rare, but if you want me, I'll show you them. Oh yeah, those aren't squishies. And we have Breados, and these are $5.99 each. Two for $9. So I believe that's everything. Oh wait. Yep, so if you want to trade websites, please read down below. And yeah, bye.